Hello everyone who is watching this video. Today we're going to tell you the amazing history of the Mali Empire.
The Mali Empire is in the Sahara Desert. The fertile land is in the south of the empire, mostly where the Senegal and Niger rivers are. For your better understanding, here's a map.
Some main facts you need to know about the Mali Empire are how a king named Sundiata made Mali an empire, what Mansa Musa did, and how Mali fell. The empire became rich and powerful mostly because of its location. Since it was located near the Niger River, where it allowed control of trade, Mali became famous. Then Sundiata started conquering kingdoms that were close to Mali, and overpowered Ghana, which made it even more powerful. Finally, the power of the empire rose at a higher state than it did before when Sundiata took power from the local leaders, or Mantas. After Sundiata died, Mansa Musa, his Muslim son, contributed many things to the empire. One was he made the empire become the most powerful one ever. Another one was he spread Islamic religion by encouraging people to build Islam-related buildings. He once also went to Mecca on 100 camels carrying 300 pounds of gold on each camel. Because of this, many people started doing the same, which resulted in more trade in the Mali Empire. The final important fact you need to know about the empire is how it fell. After Mansa Musa died, his son ruled. He was not a strong ruler like his father. Plus, with invasions and loss of land, the empire started to decline or go down, down, down.
Some interesting leaders in the Mali Empire are Sundiata and Mansa Musa. Sundiata was known as the Lion King. Some say he was a great magician and awesome ruler. After the death of his father, Sundiata and his mother had to flee because his 11 brothers were cruel and jealous that his father loved him more than anyone else. Later in history, the Sumanguru killed him, thinking that it was the only way to get Sundiata to come and fight them. But that was not the case. In 1325, Sundiata challenged the Sumanguru at the Karina to battle him and his army. And he won. All in all, he was the great ruler of Mali with a harsh background. Mansa Musa, as we know from our three main facts about the Mali Empire, was a person who had lots of money and gold. After he was king, since the empire was too big to control, he split it into provinces. Each village had a mayor, so whenever villages needed help, they went to the mayor. However, people loved to stop at Mali because of this generous, wealthy king. He also established a religious and free kingdom. After his famous trip to Mecca, everyone in the African world knew about him. Some important dates during the Mali Empire was popular in 1235, 1255, the 1300s, 1324, and the 1500s. Now you must be thinking, why are these so important? To answer this question, here is a mini timeline showing why these dates are important. In 1235, the king of Mali, or Sundiata, defeated Sumanguru in a battle. Then he declared the capital would be Niana. In 1255, Mansa Musa was declared king. In the 1300s, Mali reached a great height of power. Then in 1324, since Mansa Musa was a Muslim, he left Mali to go to Mecca. Finally, in the 1500s, Mali lost almost all the lands it once ruled. Some accomplishments in the Mali Empire were the improvement of language, math, astronomy, meteorology, architecture, medicine, and navigation. When Mansa Musa ruled, he stressed most people about learning Arabic and reading plus writing in that language. For math, they developed a number system. In astronomy, they found out about Saturn's rings, Jupiter's moons, spiral structure of the Milky Way, and the orbit of Sirius's star system. For meteorology, they created tools such as nails and glue. In architecture, they designed a castle-like compound with a specific room you do a specific thing in. For medicine, they performed surgeries. Finally, for navigation, they built boats to travel in the water. Now, before ending, we are going to talk about the downfall or decline of the empire. After Mansa Musa's death, his son was next in line to be king. The only thing was, he wasn't a very good leader. So because of this, the empire weakened. To make matters worse, little by little, smaller parts of the empire started breaking away, and very soon the empire had officially collapsed. In conclusion, let's review some things about Mali. 1. It's located near the Niger River where trade centers were held. 2. Sundiata was the first king of Mali who worked hard in order for Mali to rise. 3. Mansa Musa made the Mali Empire famous by going to Mecca with 100 camels, each hooked with 300 pounds of gold. 4. After Mansa Musa died, the empire collapsed. Thank you for watching our video. Hope you liked it.